The two-day gathering was aimed at raising awareness among participants on how climate change within the Benguela Current Large Marine Ecosystem, BCLME, will affect the fisheries and mariculture sectors in Namibia and consider adaptive strategies. The Fisheries and Marine Resources Minister reminded the coastal communities and representatives of the fishing sector to remember that climate change was not only happening in other countries, but here as well.
We must be prepared to adapt because climate change is for sure real. We must not be caught unprepared. The fisheries sector is too important to the economy of our country.
Bernard Esau noted that Namibia has ratified the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and at the same time also adopted a national policy on climate change. This, he says, was in response to the fact that Namibia is recognized as one of the countries most vulnerable to the impact of climate change. A representative of Food and Agricultural Organization FAO to Namibia, Babagana Amadu, says climate change has a negative impact on the fisheries and mariculture sectors and should therefore be addressed seriously.
Investments are needed to mitigate these growing threats, to plan and to adapt to their impacts, and to build our knowledge of complex ocean and aquatic processes.
More than 30 representatives from the fishing industry and the local coastal towns communities are attending the gathering.